All right, you guys. Sorry about that. I just wanted you to. I actually got cut off. Shh. Okay, so on here, remember you're going to be looking through all of these to fill out your own establishing identity of the the murderer. Okay, so you're going to look through all of this. Everything has been provided for you. The license plates in the room are going to be in here. I'm not going to tell you where because I want you to investigate. All of the police files on the three other suspects. Remember, it's not Bones McBride. He couldn't have done it. So it's got to be Christian Peterson, Derek Sivers, or Andy Allen. All of that information is right here. And also, I have given you individual pictures as well as some information about them. So you're going to be digging through the you're going to dig through the witness statements. You're going to dig through the police reports. You're going to dig through everything. I am not going to, as a 10th grader, I'm not going to have you guys, I'm not going to say, okay, this is the answer and this is what you're going to put on your paper like I did in the last video, okay? Your job is to go through all of this information. So if I go to Christian Peterson, you not only have his picture, but you also have information about him. So all of this, all 25 of these is going to be witness statements, the police statements that have happened. You have your recorded interviews with those suspects. So your job is to go through these 25 papers and you're going to fill in your graphic organizer. This is not going to be something that's going to take you 5 minutes. So I want you guys to put care into what you're doing. The crime scene is going to be those 3 pictures. They are also in here. Over here, establishing the identity. There are 3 pictures contained in here that you guys are going to need to dig through. All of those are there for you, so you can then make observations. What are the facts that the police file has? What are you observing and information are you being given? And then what conclusions can you make about the observations? What conclusion? Do you think it's Christian Peterson? Could Derek Sivers have done it? May it be Andy Allen who committed the murder? But all of this is going to come from you guys, okay? So that is your work for today, which is Tuesday. We are back on Zoom tomorrow, but I'm expecting that your observations are filled out and your inferences are filled out. We will finish this one together. If you guys can finish this whole section by digging through and imagining that you're a detective, that's how you have to complete this activity. We have really high grades in this class. I want you guys to keep those high grades. Okay, so on here, I'm going to say, please watch these videos. And if you don't watch the video, you're going to be completely confused. So I hope you watch the videos from last class as well as the videos from today. If you don't watch the videos, you guys won't be able to do the assignment. In the first videos, I gave you all the answers. You should have them. If you don't have them, go back and watch those 3 videos. They're still on Google Classroom. Then you guys are going to dig through establishing the identity of the murderer, which is right here. And you're going to read very carefully what are the documents telling you about where these people could have been. Could it have been Christian who did it? Could it have been Andy Allen or Derek? What were they doing? Did they have an alibi? Those are your facts, and then you're going to make conclusions as a detective based on who you think it actually is, and then we're going to solve the murder together in class tomorrow. I hope this is helpful for you guys to help you understand what to do. You are in charge of this case. Imagine that you have just been hired for $85,000 a year as the new detective, and they throw a folder on your desk and they say, figure out who murdered Harmony Ashcroft. And you're going to say, yes, I will. And you're going to go and you're going to investigate all the facts. You're going to look at everything you're being given, such as what I've done for you here, and then you're going to make your own conclusions. So by class tomorrow, you guys should be ready to tell me, who do you think murdered Harmony Ashcroft? Okay, so make sure you watch the videos from last class as well as the videos from right now. I'm going to be putting an attendance question on here, so make sure you answer. And then we will be on Zoom for the next 2 days. So make sure we get to see you. I have officially hired you as the detective on this case, and I am expecting great things. All right, you guys. Remember, all of this is something that I helped you with, and then this particular section is going to be all you. And if you're not understanding what I mean right now, then I want you to first watch this video, and then you're going to go to Google Classroom, and it has all of the information you're going to need to fill out this section right here. All right, I know you guys can do it. I will talk to you on Zoom tomorrow. Thank you for being here.